In today's video, we are going to solve problem 19. Delete the default cube and Shift+A add a cylinder to the scene. A panel will appear at the bottom left corner of the screen titled Add Cylinder. Adjust the vertices count to match the number of sides for your desired base shape. Triangle, 3 sides. Rectangle, 4 sides. Pentagon, 5 sides. Hexagon, 6 sides. Heptagon, 7 sides. Engon, n sides. Horizontal split the viewport into 3 equal halves. Adjust the view in 3 viewports from different view angles. Adjust camera and light and render the image. Congratulations, you have solved the problem. A few other videos on Blender problem will come very soon. Please join our channel. Thanks for watching.